Hey guys, I'm John with Hops and Brews, and do I have a sweet gem for you today? I found something that is in short supply nationwide. Did I just hear a bunch of college girls go woo? So apparently there is a nationwide White Claw shortage, and somehow I was one of the lucky few to still find one. It's still available everywhere. Somehow I was lucky enough to snag this beauty right here. Mango White Claw. Oh yeah. Woo! Yeah. You know what? It's funny. I bet if I hold this, I'm like in a perfect pose for an Instagram photo. Not perfect. Not perfect. I'm betting if I took a freeze frame of this pose, it'd get 10,000 likes on Instagram. Anyways, let's do the thing. This hard seltzer comes in at 5% ABV, a no IBU, because hard seltzer. It gets an average rating on Untappd of 3.49. Crafted using our own unique brew process and only the finest natural flavors to deliver a surge of pure refreshment and a hard seltzer like no other. White Claw Hard Seltzer. Spiked sparkling water with hints of mango. Alright, so let's give this seltzer a try. Right away, it, kind of reminds me of, another clear beverage I once had named Zima. A lot of regret in that. I will admit, the aroma is actually quite pleasant. It's not overpowering, it doesn't smell sugary, it kind of smells just like mango essence. You know, like those oils or something you get. Yeah. So far. Huh. Okay, it's not bad. It's not like, wow, it's blowing my mind, but it's, there's not a whole lot of sweetness. It's kind of almost like carbonated water, and then someone like kind of steeped a mango Jolly Rancher just for a second. You know, dip, couple stirs, threw it away. Yeah, it's not bad. It tastes, again, I said this, like a no sugar Zima with mango flavor. It sure definitely doesn't have the body of what I like to say water, kind of feels like in my mouth. This tastes a little thicker, almost has some like gypsum or some form of calcium or something in the water to make it hard. The carbonation actually went down quite fast. Kind of tasting a little flat right now. You know what? I bet this really wouldn't be too hard to make. I think I got a carbonator, some water. I got an idea. I'm gonna make the ultimate White Claw flavor. Be right back. So I have my infuser, 12 ounces of carbonated distilled water, 1.5 ounces of vodka, my recarbonator, because I want this extra crisp, and the best part, hops. We're gonna make an IPA White Claw. First we'll be adding some Cascade leaf hops and a few Mosaic cryo hops. Give it that nice earthy, sweet, crispy balance for an IPA. Add our liquid and we'll let sit for 20 minutes. Okay, so 20 minutes later, let's add our 1.5 ounce vodka to our recarbonating bottle, and let's add our now infused water. Introducing the world's greatest White Claw flavor, the White Claw IPA. Coming in at 5% ABV, an unavailable IBU. It gets an average rating on Untappd of, oh my god. Oh yeah, how beautiful looking is that thing? Alright, so let's try again the Mango White Claw. Still not bad, but basically flat. And now, the new and latest White Claw IPA. Actually, that's quite nice. It has about the exact same hop aroma as there is mango aroma in the White Claw. So it actually came out to be a pretty good balance. The only difference is, yes, you can see it is a little bit colored. That actually tastes like an IPA. That's so stupid it shouldn't work. Obviously you're not getting maltiness or anything, but there is this hoppiness. It is essentially just hopped water and alcohol. And the beer drinker in me actually finds it a bit more refreshing than the mango, because there's these earthy notes, this green notes. There's, in the aroma, you get a little bit of the mango, passion fruit, guava, you know, the really citrusy notes that mosaic hop really gives you. And then there's that earthiness that Cascade really kind of brings out. And it's all very light and floral. Oh my gosh, yeah, that kind of works. I mean, I probably would add some sweetness to this to really bring it out, but then I probably wouldn't hit that 100-calorie mark. And it tastes pretty much the same. It doesn't have that body like the White Claw does. It's not as thick. I believe there is something in the White Claw that is making potassium, iron, calcium, citric acid. Okay, there it is. Yeah, so I'm betting if I had some citric acid, that would help this out a lot and really change that body flavor. Give it just a little bit of lemony zesty, but that would probably accent the hops even more so. So cheers to you, and cheers to the world's first White Claw IPA. See you guys later. Hey guys, if you like this video, hit like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, Untappd, Twitter, Facebook, all the big social media stuff. The links for those will be in the description below. Tell me what other things you think I should use with this infuser, or other flavors I can make in the comments below. See you guys later.